Andy here, and I'm going to bring you all things Monday to makeup related. That's your vibe. I'd love it if you'd subscribe to be part of my little slice of the internet. And in today's video, I'm bringing you my Ipsy original, what was the Ipsy glam bag for the month of November. I know. So if you want to see what I got in my bag, let's go ahead and just get on into it. So, I know I said that I was no longer going to be getting the glam bag, but then I saw how cute the glam bag was for November, and I had to get it. So, this is now called the Ipsy Original, but it is still $15 a month plus a $1.99 handling fee, where you're guaranteed to receive 5 deluxe size sample products. Though we do see full size products in our bags quite often, you're just not guaranteed to receive them. You do get to make one choice around the 20-something of the month. The date changes every month, but it's the 20-something. And then you do always get a different makeup bag every month. And then your bag is valued up to $70 plus. I didn't get to make a choice on this because it was me resubscribing. So this is all 5 products are items that Ipsy chose for me. And then I did make 2 add-ons purchases that we will go over at the end. There is a card. So this is our bag. Look at how, hang on. Let me zip it up so you get the full effect. Look at how stinking cute this is. So we have a little, so it's gold on one side and it's got like amethyst, like what would look like amethyst. And it's so plush. I think this is the cutest bag that we've had all year. Just gonna come out and say it. I think it's the cutest bag we've had all year. And then it's the purple, like periwinkle color on the inside. I think it's so cute. Anywho's, we always get a card. It goes over our theme for the month. And our theme this month is paint the season bright. This holiday season, don't just deck the halls. Line your eyes, gloss your lips, and paint the season bright. Choice for the December bag is the 24th of November through the 26th. And then add-ons are the 1st through the 3rd. This card is huge. You open it up and it tells you to stock your stuffings. You can still get the Ipsy Advent calendar, and then it's telling you about how you can now gift Ipsy. You can do a 3, 6, and 12-month gifting options. And then on the back of the card, it goes over my products and it gives the QR code to scan to go to the app, or it'll take you to the web page if you don't have the app. So we have that. So we're just gonna get on in here and I'm just gonna pull out at random since I don't have a choice product. And the first thing we're pulling out is from Avant. I love that it's blue. Avant has such long names. So it's a cleansing gel, but what did I just do? Nothing, okay. This is their Blue Volcanic Stone Purifying and Antioxidizing Cleansing Gel. So I didn't look up the full size of this to tell you how much this retails for. I didn't do good YouTuber things. My goodness. But this is 10 mils, so this is a sample size here. It's a gentle, non-drying cleanser designed for oily or acne-prone skin, which I have acne-prone skin. I would say I'm more combo leaning dry skin now, but I definitely have acne prone skin, so that's a-okay with me. It uses salicylic acid, which I love salicylic acid in products, to remove excess oil and impurities, while vitamin E helps calm and soothe, which love that. So it says Age Radiance. It's just a little guy. It is sealed. I can see that. So I'm not going to, like, I can't sniff it or anything to see, but I like that. So this will probably be the next cleanser I use because I'm currently going through a small little guy, and I have a full size cleanser that I could open, but like I could just run through this little small guy first. So I'll probably use that pretty soon. Then we got, oh, this little guy. The Tarte Creaseless Creamy Concealer. Look at how tiny this guy is. How many mils are you? Well, it's 0.5 grams. 0.5 grams. And it's in the shade 16N Fair Light Neutral. So we'll give this a swatch. It says it helps brighten under eyes and smooths texture. This is what the doe foot looks like. It's long. For a rested, refreshed look. Packed with cloudberry to help nourish and illuminate tired-looking skin to fake 8 hours in 5 seconds. So that's what it looks like. I think it's a little yellow for me, but like, let's blend it out. I don't know. I'm gonna have to try it as like a brightener and see, but it might work as a brightener. I don't think it'll work as an all-over concealer, personally. Then we got another squeezy tube. Haha, Gold Faden MD. This is their Vital Boost Even Skin Tone Daily Moisturizer, and this is 10 mils, so it is just a sample size. This helps hydrate, brighten, and nourish in one easy step. Evens out your skin tone while organic botanicals keep your complexion soft, smooth, and radiant. So, are you sealed? It should be. Yep, it is sealed, so I'm going to leave it sealed. I might throw this in the giveaway. I have so many moisturizers right now. But I do like Gold Faden. Every time I've ever used anything from Gold Faden MD, I've loved it and my skin has loved it. So I might just throw it in my skincare drawer and like, I'll use it when I use it. But I have so many moisturizers right now. So many. Like, I'm overstocked on moisturizer. I need to go in and make sure it says no moisturizer. I want to save the bubble wrap for last. Next we have from Lava or Lava, L-A-V-A-A. This is their Grand Glow Illuminator. Where are you? In my little... Okay. It's a pressed highlighter powder. This is a luminous finish that blends effortlessly. Sweep on for that instant define and candle lit effect. So this is what it looks like. It's in the shade Pearl, which that's on Crooked. So we love that. So this is the shade. I'm gonna have to look at my card and see if this is a full size. Oh, that's gorgeous. Let's see here. No, it's a deluxe sample. The full size is 5 grams for $36. This is 3.5 grams. So this is over half the size of the full size. I'm just looking at what the full sizes are. Chew. We have some inflated values, in my opinion. So, like, this is a really good size here. We'll go over the sizes and things. I mean, I guess I can go over them right now. I should have been going over them one by one. The little Tarte concealer guy for 6.4 grams is $32, and we got half a gram. But $32 for a concealer isn't bad, in my opinion. That's pretty standard. But now these, the Gold Faden MD, you get 50 mil for $75, and we got 10 mil. So this guy's expensive. And then the Avant, you get 100 mil for $92, and we got 10 mil. So this is $9.20 right here. If I was better at math, I could tell you how much the gold Fadden MD was right now, but I'm not. And our last product that we got in our bag is the palette, the bubble wrap. And it is from Estate Cosmetics, and it is the Rose Rendezvous palette. And this is a full size. It retails for $18. This is what the packaging looks like. It's just acrylic. There is no mirror, and I'm not going to touch the shades because I'm not going to keep this. Even though I do like Estate Cosmetics formula. It says 9 romantic matte and shimmery shades inspired by all things rose. Buttery soft pigments that blend with ease and deliver intense payoff. I really like how these shimmers look, which is making me want to keep it. But I don't love these little palettes. I just don't. So I'm going to put this in my giveaway drawer, which is getting ever so full. And I'm even going to put it back in its bubble wrap. So that is everything that came in my glam bag, which I think overall, for me not making a choice, it was a pretty good glam bag. I'm super excited about this, honestly. This is the thing I'm most excited for, and I'm excited to see if this works as a brightener. The skincare is skincare. Like, it'll work. It'll be fine. I'm so happy to have this bag. Ugh. Now, let's get into my add-ons. Here, let me get these off the hand. So I got 2 add-ons. One for $3.50, one for $6. So my $3.50 add-on was from Lava or Lava. It's their eye pencil in the shade brown, and this is a full size that retails for $24, and I got it for $3.50 if it'll come out of its packaging here. There we go. So this is what it looks like. It says it's a smooth, long-lasting, mechanical. Where are you? There we go. And you can, okay, you can push it down. Eye pencil. It can smudge for a smoky effect, and it stays put all day. And it's just a brown. I don't have a brown eyeliner. So I figured a full-size eyeliner for $3.50. Heck yeah. So there's that. Get that off the hand quick before it dries down. And then my $6 product, which I believe is full size, is from Sophia and Maybelline. It's their Hydro Hold Hydrating Setting Spray. I don't have any hydrating setting sprays, and everything I've tried from Sophia and Maybelline has been really nice, and I was in need of a setting spray, so here we are. This is a featherlight spray that keeps makeup in place, while ingredients like glycerin and rose water help soothe, refresh, and keep your skin feeling comfy all day. Do you smell like roses? Oh, yeah, you do. It smells like expensive perfume makeup counter roses. I'm gonna hate it. Let's see what the mister looks like. Oh, I'm so mad. It's kind of an aggressive mister. Oh, I got my tablet all wet. Oh, it smells horrific, like roses. I hate that smell. I'm gonna hate that on the face. But it's a fine mister, but like it comes out aggressively. So we'll see. It's a hydrating spray. It's 100 mils. It's not going to take me very long to get through. I go through spray like a glass of water. Like I just drink it up. So I will go through it quickly. But that is everything that I got in my Ipsy glam bag for November. You'll have to let me know. Are we bag twins? Did you pick any of these things? because I would love to know, did you choose any add-ons? What did you think of this month's bag? Am I in the minority of thinking this is the cutest bag we've gotten all year? Because my sensory loves this so much. But that's gonna do it, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!